Got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas and slug niggas. Am I wrong? Niggas making songs trying to get with us. Must be gone off stress, we in the west we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride till the sun come shining back to brighten up the sky. How many die? Heard the